Hello friends! This is not a resin video, but it eventually will be. I have a Graphic 45 haul, and if you're not in the world of paper crafting, Graphic 45 is a company that makes paper items and also embellishments and things. A lot of people use them for scrapbooking, card making, mixed media. I am probably one of their biggest fans. I've loved Graphic 45 for many, many years. And it's been quite a long time since I hauled anything from Graphic 45 because I have so much paper that I will never be able to use in my lifetime, probably. But I saw this collection and I just had to jump on it. It's their newest collection. It's called the Midnight Tales collection. And they were having like a launch sale. So for, I want to say it was $65, you got all of this that I'm about to talk about. And then if your order was $75 in total, it was free shipping, so I added these onto it. But this collection I'm going to feature heavily in my Halloween series that I do. Still trying to decide if I'm doing 13 or 31 days this year, but I believe it'll probably be 13. Specifically because of the collection of stories that I've decided to base the series around this year. So, saw the collection online, had to have it. It was such a good deal because, oh, let me mute that, sorry. Because these collection packs are about $30 a piece anyways. And the fact that it came with all of these extra embellishments and papers and stuff, it was done deal for me. It was so worth it. So, some of the ephemera that they sent, or that comes with this collection, I should say. So these are journaling cards. The bag is already ripped, I think probably because the box fell, and so everything kind of got jumbled. So I'm not going to go through everything here, obviously, because that would take frickin' forever. But, I mean, you can see just how whimsical and very cool. Focus, there we go. Their paper craft items are. So they have two sizes here. So we have, I believe this is a 3x4 and then 4x6. And they do have, you know, like little note card lines on the back and stuff. I'm mostly going to be using these, obviously, for the front images. So there's those. These I'm not going to take out because it's just a lot, but I'll show you the back of it. So again, it's just different ephemera paper pieces to use for embellishing. Like I said, a lot of people use these for scrapbooking and cards and stuff like that. So I will be using some of these, but probably not as many. But I do enjoy those. And then the last bit of ephemera are these chipboard pieces. So let me show you those. I absolutely adore this moth that says abracadabra. And I'm just really excited to use this stuff for Halloween this year. Okay, so there's that. And I guess I'll just go over these. These are little drawer pulls or handles. Metal handles is what it's called. And I just added this on. it was either pay $6 extra, or no, $7 extra for shipping, or buy this for $4.99, I think, and then I got free shipping. So basically I saved $2 on shipping by getting these. So they gave me, or in this kit, I keep saying they gave me, I purchased all of this, obviously. So the collection came with all of those ephemera, not including the handles, plus an 8x8 paper pad of the Midnight Tales, a 12x12 collection pack, which includes 8 double-sided 12x12 papers, and then 2 sticker sheets. And then it also included the patterns and solids. So we'll just flip through these like really quick. And I'm trying to be gentle because I don't want to pull any of the papers out just yet. So you get 3 sheets of each for the 8x8. That's the back side. And all of these are double-sided, which again is one of the reasons that I love Graphic 45, is because all of their papers, generally, all of their papers are double-sided. So here's some more images. And I'll be, you know, cutting images out and using those from the papers as well, not just the ephemera. There's the back side of that. It's a really pretty orange filigree pattern. This is probably one of my favorite pages, just because it's so whimsical and very witchy. And then the back side of that is stripes. Some more flowers, which is purple on the back. Here's some more fairy images. And then that on the back. I'm holding it upside down right now, so that's why the writing's upside down, but you understand. And then again, here's some more pieces that you can cut out. And then the back has this really pretty gradient pattern with cats. So that's the 8x8. Another reason why I wanted this collection in the first place as well is because I prize the Graphic 45 paper collections. I know a lot of crafters do. So whenever I purchase something, I typically purchase 2 of them because I don't want it to all go away from the first time that I craft it. I like to hoard paper that I love. So the fact that it came with the 12x12 and the 8x8 was a huge selling point for me because it meant that I didn't have to purchase 2 of these. So I'm going to pull these out. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay. I guess I'll show you the stickers first on the back side. So there is 2 sticker sheets, which are upside down right now. So here's one of them. I just think that the images are just so cute. And then here's the other one. And I love the colors. And I think I also really like this because it reminds me of like a vintage Halloween. Okay, so with this you get 2 of each of 8 double-sided 12x12 papers. And, oh, someone's calling me. Hang tight, guys. Okay, sorry about that. It was a spam caller. No, I do not want to extend my car's warranty. Thank you. Another thing that people use these front sheets for is you can actually cut this stuff out and use it as well. So that's an idea. So here's the first sheet. And the colors are just gorgeous. And then here's the back. So it's basically the same as the 8x8, but in larger format. So you got your pumpkins and they look like polka dots, but they're like, it's like a checkerboard pattern, but the black part does have like a cream polka dots in it, so I'll call it checkered polka dots. So here's this one, Hocus Pocus, the green pumpkins on the back. These make really great card bases as well. The orange. I mean, just look at how beautiful that image alone is. I don't really care that much for these types of fairies. I think they look a little bit childish next to, like, you know, a more modern take on a witch, but what can you do? I still think it's very pretty. Stripes on the back of that one, the flowers, and then the purple filigree, the childish fairies, and then the writing, which this is the side I'll probably be using for these. And then the last one is these cut apart sheets, which has the really pretty black cats on the back. Okay, so that's what comes in the collection pack, in that one little plastic sleeve. So this is also a part of this collection, and it is the Patterns and Solids. I love that Graphic 45 has started to include a Patterns and Solids with their other collections, because sometimes, I mean, you only get 2 sheets, so you don't particularly want to cut those up for, you know, your card bases or the base of a scrapbooking page. So just do this, and I think you get, yeah, it's 2 pages. And there's the back. It's that black filigree. There's a black and gray. Maybe I'll zoom you guys in. There we go. It's a really pretty filigree. And then the other side is like a darker gray and black. Or no, it's the same as this one. Okay. I wonder if they're all the same. No, they're not. Okay. Here's the witches and fairies in green. And then on the back of that, it's a green. It almost looks like a wallpaper texture. I don't know. I guess you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. Green spider webs that I love. And then on the back of that again is the green wallpaper texture. Here's the words in orange, which I adore. And then on the back is like, it's a mixture of the filigree and the wallpaper texture. Let's see, how can I show you that a little bit better? I guess that's about as good as it gets. Then you've got the orange checkerboard pattern polka dots with the same background. The purple witches and fairies, and then this one has the purple wallpaper texture. And then purple, oh no, it's a little bent. Oh, I hate that. Anyway. Purple spider webs, again with the wallpaper texture. So you guys just got a sneak peek into some of my plans for Halloween this year for my 13 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. I will not be announcing yet the series of stories that I'll be reading, but definitely stay tuned for that if you are interested. Anyways, don't worry guys, my next video will be a resin video. I have some new resin molds that I'm super excited about. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like crafty content or just people rambling, please hit that subscribe button. Stick around. We have fun here. And please don't forget to hit that like button. It makes me smile really big when I see that. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Have a fantastic day.